Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 20. It is from section 2.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to find the distance between the 2 points. If we have an irrational answer, then we need to write our answer in the simplest radical form. All right, so I like to remind myself, and it doesn't matter which pair you pick. I always just pick the first one as x1, y1, and the second as x2, y2. Let's write the distance formula is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, now we can make our substitutions. x2 is 10. We subtract. x1 is minus 4. So we have 10 minus 4, and we need to square that. y2 is 3. We subtract y1, which is also 3, and then we square that. So we have 10 minus 4. That is 10 plus 4. We square that. 3 minus 3 is 0, and we can square that too. And so we have the square root, I guess it doesn't need to be that big. We have the square root of 14 squared. So we can either write the answer or we can square it. And when we square it, it's 196. But then we're going to take the square root of it, and we're going to get the 14 back. And so that is the distance between those 2 points. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.